Good everyone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be talking on the favicon. Now, a favicon is a small icon associated with a website displayed in the browser tab, bookmark, or favorite. Now, just know that in nutshell, a favicon is a small image displayed next to the page title or the title of a web page in the browser tab. Now, sometimes you might have come across this when you open a web page or one of the pages on a website. You see an icon displaying next to the title of that web page. The title might be home page. Before the home page, you might be seeing an icon. So that icon there is known as what? Favicon. Okay. So here I gave an example here. Here you specify the path. This for the relationship, which is icon. The href to specify the part of the image that the image that you want to display, and this is the type. Maybe the image type can be png, jpg, jpeg, and so on, depending on the type of your image or the file extension name of your image. Okay, so let's go to our Visual Studio Code to practicalize this. First of all, let me run this my document here, and you can see it here. Okay, so when we are done, you should be able to see the favicon here before this title. Now this is the favicon, and you see the name icon.png. So here I'm going to be saying link relationship, which is icon, href, okay, then type, which is image slash png, okay. So here I'm going to be specifying the image part. So I can come on this image here, right click, copy the relative part, then come here. Immediately I paste it, just take a good look at this. Now you can see, okay, now you can see the favicon here. So this is just simply how to add a favicon to your web page.